Good evening everybody. Today I am teaching a very important concept in Java, that is super. Okay, actually super is a keyword which is a keyword for calling the immediate base class details. Okay, immediate base class details. That is, if you are using same variable in both the classes, okay, that is in direct class as well as base class. I want to differentiate which variable is in base class and which variable is in direct class. Okay, super keyword is for differentiating between the base class. Super keyword is for differentiating the variable between base class and direct class. Okay, and one more thing, we can use same methods for both the base class and direct class. Okay, again super keyword is for differentiating which method is from base class and which method is from direct class. Like that, super keyword is for differentiating the variables, same variables of both the classes and same methods of both the classes, and to call the immediate base class details, whether it is variable or functions. Okay, now what I do, here I will go to super. See, in this super keyword is this. Okay, this one super keyword is I am telling the immediate base class details. Super keyword is a reference variable to call base class constructor. Okay, like that. These are the important points which you have to remember. Okay, it is used for accessing the base class variables. Base class variables. Okay, first preference is given to base class rather than direct class. Either it may be variables or it may be functions. And now I will show you the program. Okay, I will go to this one, Eclipse. I will go to Eclipse. So in this program, what I am doing, I am using this super keyword. Okay. Now this is in this program I am using the same variable in both base class and direct class. Base class is parent and direct class is child. Okay, and I am using one concept for single inheritance. Okay, here variables are same. Okay, now I am calling the super keyword in the direct class. Okay, now what will happen? This super keyword is first preference is given to the base class. First it will the details of base class, then it will show the details of direct class. Okay, now this is the program. Okay, now what I will do, if you want to run the program, I will go to run as, I will go to Java application. Once if I say OK, see, first preference is given to the base class variable, then direct class. Okay, now same thing you can show for functions, where the functions are common in both the classes. Okay, again you go to this function. See, now this printf function is common in both the classes, but first preference is given to the base class rather than direct class. Okay, now see, once again if I run this program, if I go to run as Java application, then if I say proceed, see here, now first preference is given to base class, then direct class. Okay, now this is for using super keyword and differentiating the values, differentiating with both variables in the same classes and functions in the same classes, that is base class and direct class. Okay, thank you.